Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super exciting video. I get to work with Dyson on this video, which is basically mind-blowing for me. I'm so excited. So thank you to Dyson for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna do a demo and show you guys how I get kind of an at-home blowout, sleek, smooth hairstyle using the Dyson supersonic hair dryer. To have the opportunity to not only own one of these, but also work with Dyson is super cool for me. I'm just really excited and I feel really blessed. So I'm gonna tell you about my experience with the Dyson. The first thing that I noticed is that it's ultra fast drying. We don't have time to spend 30 minutes drying our hair. We want to be done with it and move on with our day. We're trying to get ready efficiently. I think that's why salons and professionals really favor this hair dryer because they can get the job done quickly. It also has intelligent heat control, which is really interesting because it helps prevent extreme heat damage. And as I am growing my hair back, anything I can do to prevent any more breakage or damage, I'm totally in. So now that I've gone over some specifics about the Dyson supersonic hair dryer, I am going to start showing you how I use it. So as you see here, I'm showing you the precise speed settings. You can adjust how powerful it is. Also precise heat settings, so you can adjust how hot it gets. And my favorite, the cool shot to use at the end of blow drying my hair. Now it does come with 3 magnetic styling attachments that pop right on, as you see here. The first one is the styling concentrator. This is a high velocity blade of air that's perfect for styling. The next one, my favorite, is the smoothing nozzle. This dries hair and it gives you a smooth, controlled airflow, helping to kind of give that smooth finish, which we all want. And then the diffuser, this one is good for curls and helps reduce frizz. So as I said before, the smoothing nozzle is my go-to. It just pops right on and you can twist it to change which way the airflow is, which I love. So let's get this show on the road. As you can see, my hair is towel dried, so I'm just gonna remove my towel and I like to run my fingers through it. I'm not too fussy about my part. Really, my hair kind of goes either way depending on the style I'm looking for that day. So I just kind of go with the flow, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna brush through my hair, make sure that it's kind of smoothed out before I go in and start blow drying. Make sure you use a heat protectant as well. Heat protectants are super important, so don't forget that step. So I like to keep the nozzle pointed down. To me, it just gives a more seamless, smooth look, less frizz. I do have quite fine hair, so I can use my fingers to kind of run through it, kind of piece through it when I start drying my hair, and then I do go in with a brush to smooth it out. So this hair dryer has a powerful digital motor. It's very powerful, quick drying. It takes me about 3 to 4 minutes to do each side of my hair, which is insane because my hair is fine, but it's quite thick. So you can see I'm just kind of going through, making sure I'm getting the underside. And again, I do like to use a brush for this. Now, I don't even keep the heat control all the way up on this dryer because I find that it dries so fast that I don't need to. I also love that it has intelligent heat control. Very important to me because I did have severe damage done to my hair. As a lot of you know, when I went to a salon that did not know how to use bleach, it was very traumatic. So now I'm trying to grow my hair out and I'm really babying it. And having a hair dryer that helps prevent extreme heat damage is very important to me. So you can see I have half of my hair done here, very smooth. It almost looks like I flat ironed it and I didn't. So now I'm just gonna move on to the other side of my hair and finish off the process. It's so fast, I really can't believe it. I also love how lightweight the dryer feels when you hold it. It's very comfortable, very sleek and modern, but so comfortable and functional as well. I do like to take the brush around my bang area to frame my face. So I kind of go in slow motion there and just try to frame kind of a little swoop around my face. I just like a little bit of a wave instead of that pin straight look on me. And then my last but favorite thing to do is to use the cool shot I'm showing you right here. This is basically a cool blast of air and I love it because it seals the cuticle, but it also sets your final look. It adds a lot of shine and it really just sets your hair in place so that your style stays all day. Plus, you know, it feels pretty good too. So this is the final hair. It's so sleek, so smooth. There's not frizz. I don't have any flyaways. I just feel like it looks like I flat ironed it and I didn't, which is amazing because I got it done in literally like 8 minutes. So if you're interested in it, checking out the Dyson supersonic hair dryer for yourself, you can get it at Sephora. I will have it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.